Okay, hello everybody. This is an opportunity for anyone that has any questions about the room or other things that you would like to see, or you're confused on something. We just want to give everybody a chance uh, to kind of ask questions. Skip is here as well, and Rick are here. They're old. They're not old in age, but they're old and wise people that have been in our room for a while. And I'm sure they're willing to help anybody that does have a question about anything. But I just want to make sure that everybody is getting value out of the room. If there's something more that you would like to see or something that you're confused about, please let me know. What we do, though, is I want to make sure, let me just share the screen a little bit. So everybody should have watched the welcome video. We got a little welcome video somewhere in our little Discord room. And I know we've got a lot of rooms. And I've tried to, if something is pretty much dead or something, I try to take it out. So we've got a lot of members, y'all. We got 924 members, 309 are online now. We've had mentorship graduates that have gone through mentorships. We got the Muscadine Mafia premium session. And let me explain to you just for a little bit what the difference is between Muscadine Mafia, Hello Ladies Gang, and Ninja Nerds. So Muscadine Mafia, we have an in-depth session where we talk all kinds of things, especially hedging and chaos management every Friday, right after our regular session at 2 o'clock. And Muscadine Mafia, because they are the highest paying member, I feel that I owe them the the privilege to have the new stuff when it comes out, right? So they got the sizing spreadsheet, they got the new 24 spreadsheet, they got all the cool bells and whistles, and they have a meeting every Friday. And they also have a Muscadine Mafia recording. So if you were to join Muscadine Mafia, you get all of the Muscadine Mafia sessions, and we have tons of them going back. So literally, hedging and chaos management is normally what we talk about, new ideas. So there's just tons of videos there that you could consume. Now you say, what about Hello Ladies Gang? They pay a little less, and they have a session. And you see Rick's always helping people out. He's a moderator. They have a session every other week. So Muscadine Mafia gets a session every other week, and then they get Hello Ladies Gang member recordings. But as you can see, they don't have as many as because they only get one every other week. Okay. And then finally, there's the Ninja Nerds. And now Hello Ladies Gang will get the brand new 2024 spreadsheet next week. Okay. Then we'll wait a couple of weeks after that, and we'll release the new spreadsheet to the Ninja Nerds. And so they get a session once a month, right? So they get a once a month session, and they get a small number of videos compared to everybody else, but they still, get to participate in those as well. All right, anyone got any things about the premium memberships? And if you want to be a premium member, you just go up here to the server shop, and you can choose it. Ninja Nerds is $2.99 a month. The Hello Ladies Gang is $9.99 a month, and the Muscadine Mafia is $24.99 a month. So Muscadine Mafia, that's our little primo group, and they get all the bells and whistles first. Okay, any questions on premium groups? So live chat, y'all, is where all the action is. And I don't want you to ever be, I don't want you to ever be worried about, did I not send that? Well, I never sent that out. I never want you to be worried about asking, things. So someone said, is Bobby's spreadsheet included with premium subscription? Now, let me tell you what would have been better. I will likely, because we have so much chat here, I will probably not see that unless you do this. I want you to go if I can do that sign, at Sweet Bobby. Okay. That will tag me, and it will highlight it so that I will see your question. So when Rainey here said, is Bobby's spreadsheet included with the premium subscription? Thank goodness I saw his question, right? And I saw older vision, and I was able to answer it. But there are times that I may not see your thing, and you'll think that, oh my God, this fat black glass wearing bastard, he's just not, he's not listening to me. And it's not, I just didn't see your comment. So make sure that you tag me there, or maybe that you tag Rick, or that you tag one of the, and you can also do this too. What's this? This is neat. At moderator. This will tag all of our room moderators. which is kind of cool. So if you really want a quick answer to something, instead of doing at everyone, which I don't think you guys have permission to do, go at moderator or at Sweet Bobby or at Rick, and you'll get the thing. Now, y'all, you know that I am a very busy man. I swear, since I retired in 2021, I'm busier today than I've ever been. I'm having to figure out Google Calendar. I've got so many places to go, and I'm just running all over the place. So for this semester, here's our proposed schedule. And you will notice I post the link in here, daily Zoom link, right? So that you guys can see the Zoom link. And if it says that we start at 12 noon and it hadn't happened by 12:05, and I have not posted that I'm running late, it's not going to be too late. It'll just be a few minutes. All right. I'll never let you go more than 10 minutes, but I try to get here on time. It's just a little rough sometimes. So our current schedule for this semester is on Mondays, we meet at 12 Eastern. Tuesdays, we're going to have a market ending session, which is kind of cool. So if you can attend during lunch, maybe you can attend the 3:30 session. On Wednesdays, we're going to meet at lunch as usual. Normally, we meet at lunch every day except Friday. Thursday is going to be a little weird because we are going to actually meet with my University of West Georgia class. And I'm really excited. They're excited about being in with you guys. So it's just kind of cool to mix the two. We mix my Discord with the University of West Georgia students. And then 2:00 on Eastern time is our Friday session. Muscadine Mafia session follows, and it may be with one of three groups. It's always Muscadine Mafia. Sometimes it's Hello Ladies every other week. And like today was just Muscadine Mafia. So next week will be Muscadine Mafia and Hello Ladies Gang. And then the first Friday of February will be everybody. That's when I bring in the Ninja Nerds, the first Friday of every month. Okay. So, and I think as more and more people with 924, I mean, we were just 800. I mean, it seems like a couple days ago. I mean, it grows exponentially. And is there another way to pay for the Mafia group and don't use Apple? That's a good question. Does anybody know that? Let's see. How does it make you pay? Let's see. We go to server shop. Let's see if I want to subscribe to look through that. What does it say? Add a new payment method. Okay, so let's see. Monthly subscription, add a new payment method. See what it does. Oh, look. All different kind of ways. You can pay with a credit card. You can pay with PayPal. You can pay with Cash App. Or you can pay with Venmo, which is kind of cool. And the cool thing is, y'all, you can cancel at any time. I mean, if you ever think, oh my God, I hate those Muscadine Mafia sessions, you don't have to have it. Or if you don't want the newest, if we make a major revision to the spreadsheet, it always goes to Muscadine Mafia first. But it gives you several ways, that you can pay for those services, and you can cancel anytime. And y'all know, it doesn't hurt my feelings. As much as we have new people coming in, we always have an inflow of people that go out and just say, this is not my thing. And that's fine too. It's not for everybody. Now, you say, a lot of people would probably say, Bobby, you cover the same thing every day. But this is portfolio management, y'all. The only reason Rick does not need me. All right. Skip does not need me. These guys are old pros now. The reason that we come together is because we're doing something that no one else in your life knows anything about. Your spouse doesn't know anything about it. Your Uncle Tony doesn't know anything about it. Your friends at work don't know anything about it. And so it's kind of good to just get together and go, yeah. And especially you're going to be glad that you're in the group when chaos hits. Because when chaos hits, that's when we all come together and say, don't panic. We're all here. Market's going against us like it did in March. Y'all remember in March, we would get up here and we go, holy moly, here we go, guys. Here we got to roll some stuff out. And so that's when you really want to do. I mean, when things are great, oh man, it's, you're like, I don't know, we're going through the same thing every day. It's just good to have that consistency. It's good to have that accountability, right? Even though I work out with my trainer 2 days a week, she says, she doesn't say, like after we work out today, she didn't say, I'll see you Tuesday. She said, I'll see you in the morning because she's got to work on Saturday. And on Saturday, she said, I'll see you Monday. Because I always am just saying, hey there, Kristen. And, iPad only gave you the Apple option. Okay, yeah, try on the PC then. There should be other options, Ray. All right. So it's good to be accountable, right? And I probably need to do a better job of calling through the list. Like even now, I should probably say, "Hey, Surav and Rick and Skip and Don and Kurt and Matt and Terry and Stefan and Mo and Doug and Rod, and Ray," to make sure that I acknowledge y'all, and so that and we never want you to feel like you're not getting value from the room because look, there's a million Discord rooms out there. God, we try to be the friendliest place. Our only rule is no a-holes. We've already met our quota. We've got all the a-holes that we need, so we don't need any more. And we really don't argue. We really don't do anything. So if you want a room about something, a particular topic that you would like to start talking about with people, tell me, and I'll create the room for you. Okay. Or if you say there's a room and God, there's a room that's just dead and nobody's doing anything in it. I removed a couple of rooms last year because the people that had started it, just kind of let it go. But we've got Tom King in here, which he always posts his video and does really well. Tom's got his own Discord. That's fine. Notional Ed's got his own room. Notional Ed's got his own Discord. I'm not in this to, this is not like my like source of income or anything. It's just a little thing that I like doing. I like giving back, and it's just nice to have you guys in here. We've got Lance, who's a high school teacher, science teacher, and he has his own YouTube channel. So we got all these people in here. Captain and Victor's got his room. Stacy has just started a $25,000 account challenge, which is kind of cool. So go in here and ask Stacy questions about, hey, what are you doing? How are you doing it? Y'all, she was, let's say she made 22% last year. She made 31% last year. All she did was long-term 112s and strangles in the S. Y'all, if you can make 20% a year, you are above what people thought Bernie Madoff was doing. He was doing between 10 and 12 per year. So you see, we have a strategy. The 112. Now you can do any strategy you want to. Selling options is fine. Doing strangles is fine. But we've developed a strategy, and Skip and Rick will tell you it's taken a lot of years. Well, I've been doing this for 3.5 years, I guess, on Discord and with YouTube. It's taken us 3.5 years to get to the point where we think now we can consistently do 20 to 24% a year. I believe it. I have bought in. So are there any questions about anything? We'd love to take them and entertain them. We're really glad you're here.
No, man.
Nothing? Okay, well, I hope we went over everything. So if there's a room you like over here, we even got trade like Nancy Pelosi, right? we joke around a lot. Double diagonals. Rick used to do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday Rick trade. That used to go on. So, it's just kind of things that we used to do and we don't do. We don't really listen to news. But every now and then, when we hadn't talked about what the screwdriver is, what happened to the screwdriver? That was a long time ago. I didn't see, and I didn't know that someone wanted to know that. He should have said, at Bobby, what the crap, man? Where's the screwdriver? Right? Only Notional Ed knows what the screwdriver is. All right. All right. No, any questions at all? Okay, guys, I appreciate you. Love you for being in the room. If you have any questions at all, just send me a message. I had a problem where I couldn't receive direct messages the other day. I have fixed that. I don't know how it got that way, but now I can accept direct messages. So just message me. I'm here for you. Okay. Hope you have a great day and a wonderful weekend. I will see y'all Monday.